Hello students, in this video I will discuss about how to develop the lateral surface of a triangular pyramid with base edge is 30, height is 60 and it is being sectioned by a cutting plane inclined at angle 45 degree and it is 25 mm from the apex. So I will be drawing the triangle first. So the top view and the front view I will be drawing first. Triangle is 30 mm base edge. So I am drawing the top view first. 30 mm base edge is I am drawing. Now, so it is equilateral triangle. So I'll be measuring and drawing the equilateral triangle. Now you can join these other edges of the triangle. It is 30 mm each equilateral triangle. I'll be finding the center of this. So I found the center by joining the perpendicular bisector. Now you can join this with all these edges to the center. So because it is a pyramid. So this is the top view. Yes. Now you can draw a reference line, XY line, suitable length. Now you can name it as it is 1, 2 and 3 and this is the center is O. Now you can draw the verticals from these points 1, 2 and 3 wherever it is meeting this XY line, reference line. Yes. Now from the center O you can draw a chain line. So show the axis of this pyramid. So height of the pyramid it is 60 mm. So you can accordingly draw the axis line. Now you can measure this as 60 mm. I can measure it. So after measuring the height along this chain line 60 mm, now you can draw this inclined edges up to this vertical projectors from this top view. Okay, and up to this XY line. So this is the this is the front view of this pyramid. Yes. Now you can name it as it is 1 dash, 2 dash, they will be merging, and 3 dash is here, and this is O dash. Now you have to locate the cutting plane. It is 25 mm from the apex. Apex is here. This is O dash is the apex. 25 mm I have to measure. 10, 20, it is 25. Now from this you can draw this horizontal line passing through this 25 mm from the apex. And the cutting plane angle is 45. I have measured this 45. So you can draw this chain line passing through this to show the cutting plane line. And then you can make it thick at the edges. Now you can make it thick at the edges. Now here you can see it will be meeting here, one point here and other point here. So it is say P dash and Q dash. Always use lowercase letters here in the projections. Now I'll be drawing the development of this by using this radial line method. Draw a horizontal line through O dash. Then draw a parallel line to this O3 slant O3. You can draw a parallel line. So you can name it as O1 and 3-1. Now you can draw the horizontals through this Q and P. These are the only points. Only 2 points are there. Horizontals up to this O1, 3-1. Now with O1 as center and O3, 1 as radius, you draw a suitable length arc. I am drawing an arc. Similarly with this line through P, you can draw another arc. And with the line through Q, you can draw another arc, suitable length. Now you can simply take this 1 3 length, it is 30 mm, you can take it from here and then you can cut it 3 times because it is a triangular pyramid, 3 times on this arc. Now you can name it as it is 3 1 is there, then 1 1, 2 1 and 3 1. Now you can join this 3 with 1 straight line, then 1 with 2, two with 3. Now you can join this with this O1 with 2, 3 first and then 2 and then 1. 3 is already there. Always join is thin lines first. So this is the development of a simple pyramid. It will be three triangles. Now here you can check Q lies on 3, point Q lies on 3, O3, so it will be Q will be here, and P lies on 1 and 2, so this is for 1 and 2. Now join these points with straight lines. Now you can join these points Q with P, 1, P1 with P2, it will be straight lines. And then P2 with Q. Okay, and you can make this outside edges as thick as well. So this is already thick. Okay, so this is the development. Now it is complete. I'll be doing the dimensioning only. So I have done the dimensioning as well. You can write it X and Y as well. Here X and Y, you can add it. Okay, so now this is complete. You can see dimensioning is there and development is also there. So I hope you got it. Thank you very much. So this is the development of a triangular pyramid sectioned by a cutting plane inclined at angle 45 degree to the base. Thank you very much.